Hey mathematicians, let's do our homework. Okay, so the first part of the homework page is these pictures. So make sure to read the directions carefully because you want to go in order. So ratio of ice cream cones to popsicles means you've got to count the ice cream cones first, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then put your popsicle number. For the reverse, popsicles go first and ice cream cones go second. It's okay if you want to simplify them. These directions don't say you have to. So the 4s and the 2s are fine. If you want to simplify, you can. Let's see, a tape diagram. I'm not very good at drawing, so I'm not going to draw the ice cream. I'm just going to write IC for ice cream and P for popsicles. I'm going to draw my tape diagram, cut it in half for the two different options. The biggest number is 4, so I'm going to cut these into fourths. Ice cream, I have 4 of, so I'm going to shade all 4 boxes. And popsicles, I only have 2 of those, so I'm going to shade 2 boxes. It doesn't matter to me, again, if you do the simplified drawing of the tape diagram of 2 to 1, or if you do the unsimplified of 4 to 2. So that's the style of work you're going to do in number 1. Make sure to read closely for each of the directions where it writes out ratio. For tape diagram, the order doesn't matter so long as the units and the number of those units match up. Number 2, Mari has 8 skirts and 12 pairs of jeans in her closet. Write the ratio of the skirts to jeans in simplest form. So let's start with skirts. Skirts is 8 and jeans is 12. That's not the simplest form, but that's what I see. Then I'm going to simplify it. Personally, I think it's easier to simplify when it's in fraction form. If you don't and you can just see it, that's fine. So think about what your scale factor is going to be. What number can you divide them both by? I think by 4s. So then we're going to get our answer. Let's see, 2 4s makes 8, 3 4s makes 12, and then draw the tape diagram. I would much prefer to draw a tape diagram of 2 to 3 than of 8 to 12, because 8 to 12 is just more drawing. Skirts, jeans. Draw your rectangle. Cut it in half horizontally. I'm going to go for the 2 to 3. Skirts was, it's hard to tell up here. So maybe sometimes you want to put 8S for skirts and 12J for jeans, just so you can kind of stay organized. That's an optional suggestion, but let's see, 2 skirts and 3 jeans will look like that. On the back, negative numbers are less than 0. Less than. Positive numbers are greater than 0. Maybe you can even just do a greater than symbol. We write a negative sign in front of the number. If there's no sign, we know that the number is positive, even if we don't see a plus sign. And then on the back, we're just doing our adding and subtracting. Let's see, most of these look like adding problems, so don't forget you can draw one of these. If this was 5 negatives, I'd put 5 on the negative side, 9 on the positive side. Oh, the positive team wins. Winner is 9, loser is 5. Subtract them, that's 4, and it's going to be a positive 4. Same strategy when there's more than 2 numbers to add. You just set up your... Oops, I lost my pen. It went off screen. Oh, I can see it on the other side of it's on the projector on the board. And here it is. Okay. You add your chart and you just go by number. Negative 18, positive 56, negative 32. I guess you don't need that negative sign right there. Definitely thinking that the negative team is going to win, although maybe that was premature. Let's add them up just in case. 8 plus 2 is 10. Oh, that was premature. 3, 4, 5. That's 50 versus 56. So good thing I did my math first. This is our winning value because there are more positives than negatives. Winner minus loser. That one will give you a positive 6. You finish off the rest and then you're done with your homework.